When your all-wheel drive system defaults to two-wheel drive mode, it's signaling that something needs attention. This safety feature prevents further damage to your vehicle's drivetrain. Several factors can trigger this protective two-wheel drive mode. The most common cause is overheating, where the system automatically disengages to prevent permanent damage. Low fluid levels in the transfer case or differential can also trigger two-wheel drive mode. The system monitors fluid pressure and temperature to ensure proper lubrication. Faulty sensors, particularly wheel speed and position sensors, can confuse the system about traction conditions. When sensors provide incorrect data, the system defaults to safe mode. Electrical problems like blown fuses, damaged wiring, or control module failures can disable the all-wheel drive system entirely. Modern systems rely heavily on electronic control. Modern all-wheel drive systems have become increasingly complex. Advanced diagnostics like AWD integration provide real-time monitoring of torque distribution and wheel slip sensors. Some manufacturers now use artificial intelligence for predictive maintenance, identifying potential failures before they occur through cloud-based monitoring systems. Electric vehicles introduce new complexity with dual-motor all-wheel drive systems and battery management integration, creating entirely new potential failure points. Understanding your system type is crucial for diagnosis. Mechanical all-wheel drive systems typically suffer from transfer case failures, differential problems, or worn coupling components. Electronic systems are more prone to control module failures, sensor malfunctions, and actuator problems. These require different diagnostic approaches and repair strategies. Recognizing these failure patterns helps technicians focus their diagnostic efforts and reduces repair time. The next section will cover specific diagnostic procedures and solutions. AWD diagnosis begins with systematic assessment. First, check for diagnostic trouble codes and examine dashboard warning lights to identify specific system faults. Advanced diagnostics require specialized equipment. Use scan tools to analyze live data from the AWD control module, monitoring wheel speeds, torque distribution, and system parameters in real time. Component testing focuses on individual system elements. Verify transfer case operation, test sensor signals, and check electrical continuity to isolate specific failure points. Immediate fixes address common AWD problems. Fluid service is critical. Replace transfer case and differential fluids according to specifications. Install software updates and clean sensors to restore proper operation. Long-term AWD reliability requires proactive maintenance. Shorten service intervals in severe conditions, implement regular system monitoring, and always use quality replacement parts to prevent future failures. AWD repair costs have increased significantly, now averaging between $1,200 and $4,500. This makes preventive maintenance not just good practice, but essential for avoiding expensive repairs. Successful AWD diagnosis follows a systematic approach. Start with basic checks, progress to advanced diagnostics, implement immediate fixes, and maintain long-term system health through proactive care and quality components.